Okay, so hi traders and welcome to our free weekly market outlook. Hope that your previous weeks was wonderful of setups and full of money. Okay, so I'm sharing with you the really nice setups. Okay, and if you are also following us on Telegram, you're also getting some nice setups to watch. Okay, so your only job is to watch what I send. So what I send, just put it on your watch list and keep an eye on it. So you will make money on that way. Okay, so there is no worries. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions, just feel free to comment there on YouTube chat. Okay, and I will answer all the questions that you'll have. And if any one of you is interested to join our trading academy, you can simply go to our website, okay, tradewithmaster.eu, okay, and then go under the membership and choose the membership which you feel comfortable with, okay. And you can also send me a private message on Telegram or TradingView, depends where you would like to text with me, and I will guide you through the sign up process. We in our trading academy, we are every day watching the daily setups. There are potential setups. Every morning at 10 a.m. in the morning, we're having the daily webinar. We go through all those setups, and there are no worries that you will miss any setup. Okay, so you will have an eye and you will know the every wave where the market is about to go. Okay, so no worries that you will miss anything. So let's go. Let's start with the webinar. I will show you the published idea first, then I will go step by step to all the charts and I will show you the upcoming setups that we are waiting for. Okay, the setups can change during the week, so be careful. If you find any aggressive move against our setups, that will change the setup and you should not be getting into the trade. Okay, so keep an eye there and be prepared to any change of pattern information. Okay, so let's go. Let's start with the New Zealand Chief. There you can see that I have posted New Zealand Chief. Watch for buy setups. If you click on the idea, under every idea you will find the updates. Okay, so we were watching to start pushing higher. Okay, as you can see that the price has went up and then reversed for a little bit. Okay, did this change our setup? No, it didn't yet. Okay, as you can see that there is one aggressive candle which is trying to push lower, but that didn't change our view. Okay, because one single candle cannot change the view or cannot change the pattern. Okay, so let's go down there. You will see that I have posted the update. Okay, wait for buy stops before taking any buy. This is also send it in Telegram group. Okay, so you should have that picture. Okay, New Zealand Chief, as you can see, I told you that the sharp breakdown will invalidate the buy setup. Okay, so I have posted you how this will looks like. If there to be any aggressive move, then you should, then you will not watch anymore for the buy setup. Okay, then you will have to relook at that structure, and then you will see what are the potential and how far this move can go. Okay, can it go all the way back to the bottom? Of course. Okay, but then we will need to wait for the correction before going for this move to taking that bottom. Okay, so then we will just have to look at the structure and then we will change our setups and then we will go for the sell. Easy. Okay, so this is the reason, and this is the good to have a trading community so we can comment and watch the setups together so we prepare ourselves for the trade. Second idea there is don't miss the sell on Euro New Zealand. As you can see that it's still struggling there at the top. Okay, so I have posted you there the update also. I think that I have posted all the updates on all those ideas that I have published. So let's wait. Okay, it went down. Okay, on I think it was Friday. It started to push lower. So what we did, we were waiting for the correction to get bigger. Then we were started to watch for the strong break to the downside. What the price did, it just started to struggle. That did we take the sell? No, we didn't. Okay, and the price has just started to push back at that previous high. Okay, so here's the update. Wait for new high again for sell. Okay, so wait, let this to push higher, break the top, then you watch again for your sell setups. Okay, you will be a seller once again once it will take that new high. Okay, after taking a new high, you will start watching for sell setups. Okay, those will be your sell setups. Take the trades and let's see how far it will go. Okay, this can also turn into the bigger correction. Okay, but if you will be seller from the top, you have enough time to exit this in case if this will become a buy stop. Okay, but this will be too far away and we don't know yet. Okay, we don't know yet. This move it's already happening, so when the third move will start to move, then we will know where the price is going. So yeah, let's wait for new high. Take the sell setups. Easy. Watch for buy stops on your GBP. Okay, price is still struggling there. Didn't move anywhere actually. Okay, I think it's still loading my chart. So okay, the price is on lower time frame forming the buy stop. You have to be careful because it can go just give you the bigger correction. Okay, something like that, going down, tag that bottom, and then to go high, break that high, and then it will turn down. Okay, this is the scenario where you will have to be dynamic. Okay, you have to watch it closely, be prepared for every move, and if the trade is going against you, you have to manage it to close it on break even. Okay, you should not close the losing trade. So traders, you will have to be a bit fast and a bit experienced if you would like to be that so dynamic. Okay, set the other setup. Watch for big buy on USDN. So what do we have there? Let's have a look. I have posted you there. Watch for the price action before you will take any buy setup. So what the price did, let's have a look. What the price did. Come on, let's load it. Okay, as you can see, it goes a little bit lower. That didn't change our setup. Okay, we didn't change our minds. And then boom, here it goes. Something has started there. Okay, so we have some reaction around the previous bottom. So what we did then, okay, so I have also updated watch for buy setup. So if you're watching lower time frames, you will be able to take that buy. Okay, this buy will be good. And if you get into this buy, you probably close it on break even. You should. Okay, and then on Friday you should get back. Okay, you should get back into the trade. Okay, so you are waiting for the break to the upside. So if you are patiently wait, okay, in our time, I have posted this in the right time, so yes, you'll be able to catch that breakout. Okay, so can I get in for the buy? Yes, of course you can go, guys, but be patient. Now you'll have to wait for the clear 15-minute correction. Okay, 15-minute correction it's needed before the price will start to push higher. Okay, but make sure that your entry will not be around the previous stop. Okay, so you're risking too much if your entry will be somewhere there for the buy. Okay, if you will be buyer there, don't do this. Okay, stay away from that kind of scenario. Don't get into the buy there. You should not buy there. Okay, you have to wait for the pullback before getting into the buy. Okay, so correction is always needed. You can always get in on the correction. Don't chase the running candles. Okay, don't chase running candles. That will just carry risk. Okay, one more wave to the upside on US 30. What do we have there? Okay, if we will do press the play button. So let's see what the price did actually. Okay, wonderful. Okay, as you can see, guys, the charts and our analysis works like magic. Okay, it looks like we are having the crystal bar there. Okay, on the table. Okay, no, I'm just joking. Uh, okay, you see how powerful on wave analysis are. Okay, so it's really easy to make 4 5% or even 10%. Okay, it's really easy, and those wave analysis are really powerful, so make sure that you will learn and understand the basic behind the wave analysis. Okay, it's not everything just to read the Elliott wave principle book and now you are the wave analysis trader. No, that's not so easy. Okay, if that will be so easy, then you'll be probably millionaire already. Okay, and there will be too many millionaires, so that's not so easy. You need more practice. Okay, theory is really easy, and there are also sometimes some changes. Okay, it's not everything the same like it is in book described. Okay, so we are having the special rules to identify those patterns. Okay, so let's move forward. As you can see, yesterday did really well. There was 5% of the profit at least. So I will show later on, and I think that is also posted under there. Yes, it's down there. Okay, so wonderful buy setup. If you took it, I think that this is the 6% of the profit. Okay, right now I think it's the 6% of the profit. Stop loss was there. If you get in, so really nice. Okay, so if you're risking a 100 euros, your profit now is 600 euros, and you already paid the membership of our academy. Okay, so you see our membership, it's not expensive. Okay, so everyone can afford it. Okay, so let's move forward. Don't miss the sale on New Zealand cat. So what we are having there? Okay, as you can see, the chart has started to push lower. Great. Okay, so we will start watching for the sell stops. Okay, once sell stops was there and it didn't go that far. Okay, it started to turn back. So break even trades in case if you get in. Otherwise, you'll be watching again for sell stops. Okay, now right now in the upcoming week, you just have to keep an eye there. So you will be watching for the sell stops there on New Zealand cat. Okay, so that's all I think. New Zealand chief went down really nicely. Okay, so nice profit also there. Yes, it did really nice. Okay, so nice profit. There are also some updates, so be careful now. Like I said, right now is a spot where you have to be careful. It can just push higher. So for those who are the sellers from there or there, watch it to take off your profit. Okay, so you have enough. So you see, guys, these wave analysis are really powerful, and you can see how you can forecast the upcoming wave. Okay, we don't need any support and resistance and so on, lines and indicators and blah blah blah. Okay, I see that people there on TradingView are using a lot of indicators. Their charts looks like full of indicators. Okay, so that's not the way of trading. Okay, we don't need any indicator to predict the upcoming movement. Okay, so as you can see that the price goes a little bit higher. That didn't change the setup. We were still watching for the setups. Okay, instead of that sell setup to start selling there was the buy setup, as you can see there. Okay, so if I will get in, the chart has tells us that we are going up. Okay, there was a reaction which showed us that we are going higher, take that high, then we reverse. Okay, so if you were listening to that chart there over there, you took that buy and then you take off your profit when this has tagged that previous high. So right there you took off your profit, it went for one more high and then it started to push lower. So on lower time frame there was some stops. So nice money. Okay, so this is all. So let me guys go now to all the sales setups, and let me start with the DXY. Okay, this is the dollar index. So what I do anticipate, okay, on Friday during the NFP event. So what we did, we were watching this DXY to push higher. Okay, this was the during the NFP event. Okay, so in our trading academy, we were watching that. Okay, at 1 p.m. we were watching it that the price will go tag that bottom and then pushed higher. Okay, so we know. We predicted the move which appeared over there. Okay, so we know what the price will do. Okay, it's so easy when you will understand the basic concept about wave analysis. You will exactly know when the price is going up and when is going down and when is the time to take the trade. Okay, so if you get in to the buy there, okay, so otherwise what you will do, you will watch there for one more buy setup. Okay, so what the price will do, it will struggle there. Okay, so price should not be aggressive over there. Okay, there should not be any aggressive move. Is there, if there it will be any aggressive move which will break the trend line, don't watch for the buy anymore. Okay, otherwise, what we will do, we will watch this, struggle there, take that buy. Okay, so 1 to 1, maybe 1 to 2, restore the ratio. This is good money over there coming. And yeah, you can watch only for the strong break to the upside, or if you want, you can watch there for a price action or lower time frame to take a risk taking entry. Okay, so this risk taking entry is also really good. Okay, but if you're totally new to wave analysis, you should watch only for the strong break to the upside. Okay, so let's have a look where this DXY can go. Okay, so how far it can go. I do anticipate there the flat, and now and after that, after this flat, we will see that the chart will continue more to the downside. Okay, so DXY, I see it pushing deeper. Okay, if this will give us a nice flat formation over there, okay, as we were anticipating. Okay, so you can take that buy, short-term buy setups 1 to 2, so you will make 2% of the profit, or at least 1 to 1, and then you will start selling. Okay, so you watch then for the sell setups. Easy. Okay, that should not be hard for you. Let's have a daily look. What do we have there? As you can see, come on, what was that? Okay, so as you can see that this can just start it pushing lower. Okay, push lower as needed, or it will go drop down. You will take the sell, then it will go deeper correction. Then this will totally push to the downside. Okay, so dollar can fall, but without having that correction, we cannot say that it will go fall from there. Okay, exactly like that. No, it cannot. We need deeper correction. Deeper correction needs to confirm the move to the downside. Okay, so let's move forward. Let's go on the Euro USD. I will show now the dollar pairs, and you have to keep an eye there because I have shown. Sorry, I just got disconnected by microphone. As you can see that I have shown you on DXY a short-term buy setup. That means that your USD we will watch for a sell. Okay, so what can we have over there? Similar picture, just reversed. Okay, so if on DXY we are anticipating something like this, oops, sorry, and then going down, now we are having the other direction which is going higher. Okay, easy. So this price, if you find there the 15-minute sell setup, you can take it. Take this sell setup all the way back to the bottom, and then you will relook it, and then you will watch for the buy setup. Okay, so 1 to 1 will be enough, guys. 15-minute setup. Okay, I think it's already in the making one. Yes, you can see one is already in the making. So what we can have over there, breaking the top, and then it will start to push higher, lower. Sorry. Okay, this is what you can trade. Okay, so this is your impulse. You can put your stop loss like that, okay, somewhere there. This entry can vary, okay, depends how this will behave, so your entry will vary, and this is your profit. Okay, 1 to 2, that's a really nice target, okay, actually, so keep an eye there. Let's see what the price will do there. Pound USD, what we are having there, let's have a look on for our structure. Okay, it's quite similar picture as expected, okay, so we know what the dollar pairs are doing, so they are, all of them are making the correction. Okay, so they're trying to give us the flat formation. So yeah, this can struggle there. It can even give us expanded flat, push lower and then higher. Okay, so you can watch for your sell setups during the week. Okay, if you find any sell setups, take it and then be careful for the buy setup. Okay, easy. New Zealand USD. Okay, quite similar scenario. Okay, it can go a little bit deeper, something like that, and then it will push to higher. Okay, so short-term sell setups, get in, get out. Okay, you have enough of money. Okay, only short-term trading it's now. Aussie USD, that one also. Okay, short-term trading, you have to be careful there because it can just drop down and then can push higher. So this is the short-term sell setup. This can give us the running flat for one more high, then going down, give us the bigger running flat, and then it will go to the up, take that high, boom, and then to reverse the downside. Okay, so you can see there how things can get complicated. Okay, so be dynamic, watch the charts, it will tell you in exactly right time. Okay, so for now, watch for the sell stops. Let's see how far it will go. If this will become aggressive, we can hold it all the way back to the trend line, then you will watch for the buy, break that high, then we'll start selling again. So first sell, then you will watch for the buy stop, and then you watch for sell again. Buy and watch the setups to appear. Okay, so what do we have there on Aussie USD? Do we have any sell setups? Not yet, okay, but they are in the making. Okay, I hope that this will just extend itself and give you the deeper pullback, and then you can watch for your sell stop. You can get in on aggressive break to the downside. If not, if this will become aggressive for the upside, this will go take that high and then go down. Okay, so depends. You just have to put that on your watch list and watch it. Depends how the correction will behave, then you'll see how you will get into the trade. Okay, so you guys have to be dynamic. USD CAT, okay, that one has a nice setup during the NFP on Friday. So if you trade it, great. If not, so let's see how far this can go. This can push a bit higher, going lower, and then give you the running flat, and then it can push deeper. Okay, so no long-term trading on dollar right now. Okay, so as we will watch on 15 minute, this was during the NFP. Okay, so I was anticipating exactly that kind of scenario, pushed higher. So what the price will do, it will correct there, and you can go for one more buy. Okay, but yeah, that should go slowly, no fast movement. Okay, just slow moves and then pushing higher. Okay, see there on 1 hour, you will watch there how this will be behaving during the week. Okay, when the market will open, you have to Keep an eye what the price is trying to do. USD Chief, similar scenario. Okay, so watch for the buy setup. Okay, so you can see that USD CAT, USD Chief, those are the USD movements. Okay, so you can see that we are anticipating on the dollar the wave to the upside. So similar wave there. Take that short-term wave to the upside. You'll see how far it will go, but then you would like to exit because it will turn down. Okay, so it can turn really fast. I personally am not interested for that buy. Okay, I wanna see the bigger wave. Okay, I'm always in the bigger waves from the top to the bottom. Okay, so yeah, I'm not interested for those small trades. Okay, small trades are not for me. Here on New Zealand. Okay, so this one was posted like I said before. It correct, didn't push lower, didn't break that. Okay, so it just went up. So what the price will do, it will correct, go break that high, and then it will turn down. Okay, so what you will do, you will watch to sell again from new high. Okay, so new high, watch the sell stops, take the sell stop. Okay, easy. I'm not gonna go into those details. Okay, so you guys know what to do exactly. Okay, let it break the top, wait for reaction, wait for correction, take the sell. Easy. This is everything what you will have to do. Aussie Chief. This one looks like it will push down. Okay, so yeah, pushing down all the way back to the bottom. So can I get in? No, if you're not seller from there, then you cannot do anything. Let it completely break the trend line, let it correct there, and then you will get into the trade. Okay, so easy. No rush. Wait for the setup before you will get in because this can still go for one more high and then it will drop down. So there inside of that correction, I do not recommend you to get into the trade. Okay, let it completely break, let it correct, then you will take that sell. Okay, there you can get confused there inside of the correction for one more high, and then yeah, it will just drop. So that can hit you with a losing trade. Okay, so you'll have a stop loss hit, and then the price will just break down. So be careful trading in the correction in Aussie Chief. Euro Aussie. So wonderful trade. Okay, so I personally took that trade. Okay, this is also in our signal service. Okay, and we took that buy over there. So how far this will go, we don't know. Okay, we just have to keep an eye there. We will put the trade on break even, so we are safe. Okay, we are having the wonderful entry point over there, and we are anticipating the chart go break that top. Okay, it needs to totally break that top. Okay, break that top, then to go down. Okay, so nice wave to the upside. It's needed to break those tops. Aussie New Zealand. There's one more great trade. Okay, so if you watch there, it was 1 hour setup. Okay, you can see that it went down. So really nice trade. Pushing higher, take the top. Okay, then you'll take off your profit. Okay, so for those who took the trade, take your profit off. That ain't gonna go anywhere. Okay, we need one more wave to the downside before this thing will fly out. Okay, so we can anticipate your New Zealand thing for the sideways for a couple of more months. Okay, it can even stay for sideways movement at least till the end of the year or maybe next year. Okay, just we just have to keep an eye there. But yeah, I don't see that this one will just fly to the top. Okay, no, I don't see this behavior. I see it struggling there, give us the bigger correction, and then it will just go for the upside. Okay, so yeah, take your profit there around the previous top. Your chief, watch for the sell stops. Okay, this one, your chief, move on 15 minutes, wait for this sell setup, sell setup, sell setup. Okay, so your focus is on your sell stop. I don't see the buy there. Okay, at least not yet. Can it push higher? I don't know. I think that it will just break those bottoms. Okay, go deeper and then it can up. So yeah, somewhere there you have to be careful. It can just start to push higher. But yeah, you already will have a 15-minute sales from higher spots, so you will be protected with a break-even trade. So no worries. Okay, just watch 15-minute sell stops. If you will not catch any sell stop, no worries, guys. Don't panic. Be patient. And until there is no setup, you should not be selling. Okay. Like I said at the beginning, don't blindly jump and chasing the market, okay? Chasing the running candle is really stupid idea, okay? Because you will be in a loss. New Zealand cat, what do we have there? Watch for the sell stops, okay? This thing is going down. So 15 minute setups. Okay, one 5 minute setup is already in the making. Okay, so if you want to sell the breakout, you can sell, but you have to put that on break even really fast. Okay, this thing can just go for the bigger correction and then it will go down. Okay, so this is good scenario once it will appear. Okay, something like that. Okay, exactly similar scenario. If this thing will appear there, that would be really nice. So it can drop down and then the bigger correction can appear and then boom, it will just push lower. So yeah, wait for exactly same correction over there and then thing will just push lower. Euro cat struggling there, so have a look. Be aware, this can just go breaking down and then it will go higher, break that tops, and then it will just turn to the downside. Okay, so watch for the sell stops. I think that you will probably not be able to catch that sell. Okay, sometimes you just have to leave the move. Okay, this is too small move actually to get in, so you'll probably miss that one. And then you watch for the buy stop. Buy stop, it's much more. There will be much more opportunities. Okay, much more opportunities in the buy rather than this small sell. It's too risky, so rather not to trade it. Aussie cat, okay, so wonderful buy there from that behaving over there. Okay, as you can see, there's the pattern in the middle. So you see how we are recognizing the patterns on lower time frames. Okay, there's the running flat over there, and then it just pushed higher. So price is trying to reverse. So what you should do? Put that on break even. Put it on break even. This thing can go deeper. Okay, so yeah, right now nothing to do. Okay, so you can pull the trend line there. If this thing will break and correct there, you can take the sell. Otherwise, you will not be a seller because this can just turn go take that high and then going down. Okay, break that high, it's possible. So be careful. New Zealand Chief. This one is published. Okay, so been telling you at the beginning of the webinar. If there will be any aggressive moves, okay, no sell, no buy, no buy, and wait for the sell. Okay, so you will skip this one and you will wait for the correction and you will be keep selling, keep selling. Okay, you will start selling. So right now you cannot do anything. Don't buy, okay? Don't be crazy and buy right now from the price where it is right now. But yeah, I see this one pushing higher. So watch for the buy setups. Okay, watch for the buy setups. Depends. If this sharp breakdown will appear, then you will forget on that buy. Easy. Cat chief struggling there. Okay, so this can go really deep. It can go retest that previous impulse generation point. Okay, you can retest it, going higher, retest the previous top, and then it will totally reverse the downside. Okay, so no more buy setup. So like I said, don't watch for that breakout. It's not interesting anymore. It will go deeper. Okay, that sell will also probably will have to miss it, and then you'll start watching for the buy. You can take that buy, tagging that high, then definitely you want to be a seller from the previous top in case the price will go slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay, you want to see the slow movement before triggering the sell. Okay, so let the let the charts do whatever they want to do, and they will tell you in the exactly right time when they are prepared. Okay, just don't push them. Okay, don't push them. Silver pushing higher. So what can we have over there? That may go higher, but yeah, it's quite dangerous. You're buying really high, really high. Okay, if you watch the daily structure, you see where you're buying at. Okay, so you can even watch the weekly chart. Okay, you see where you're buying at. That's aggressive movement. So you just have to wait for the correction before taking the buy. Okay, this silver will probably go back at previous highs. So, but it will not go into the straight line. So you will have to wait for the at least 4 hour correction. Okay. 4 hour correction it's needed before you will get into any buy setup. Okay, so wait for this to appear over there. Okay, don't get in. If you missed it from the bottoms, don't get in. Okay, gold, similar picture there. Don't chase the price from there. Okay, and don't start selling. This thing will not drop just into the straight line. Okay, no setup at the moment. Okay, I don't see it going lower. Okay, I see it struggling there, push one more high, then going down. Okay, so I don't think it will drop down right now. Okay, it needs to have a nice price action in case if it will drop down. Okay, but if you will see the sell, we will take the sell. But like I said, it's not even ready. Aussie yen, this thing will give us the correction there and then push higher, break the top, and then it will start turning. Okay, so buy setups, you can watch for the short term buy setup. You'll see how far this will go. Can that break down? Yes, it can, but not yet, okay? Because that doesn't look for a drop, okay? So yeah, I don't see this sell. Okay, it's not even there as sell stop on lower time frames. So as you can see that there is the big flat which is trying to appear over there. And then this will just turn for the upside. So yeah, no, I don't see the sell right now. New Zealand yen, sell there. What you'll do, wait for the 15-minute sell and keep selling, keep selling, keep selling all the way back to the bottom. Okay, so easy. Watch for sell setups, go for the sell. Okay, that's all what I can do. As you see on 15 minutes, there is nothing. Okay, nothing yet. There was some lower time frame corrections. Okay, if you take it, great. If not, wait for the 15-minute correction before getting into the trade. That's gonna be a nice trade. Okay, so nice trade, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, maybe 1 to 2. I think it will be reasonable. And yeah, going down, take the bottom, take off your profit, it will turn to the upside. So keep an eye. Use the N. So like I said, watch for the buy setups. I've been warning ya for really long. Okay, so you should be already into the buy. If you are not into the buy already, you have to watch. Okay, you have to watch. You will see how this 15-minute will appear. Okay, you want to see the slow movement over there. Slow, hold, take the trade, and go for a break-even trade. I mean, put your trade on break-even once it will take that high. Okay, so if you get in on the breakout, it doesn't matter, or somewhere there. Okay, so if you get in, if you catch the setups there or there, once it will take that high, you will have to protect yourself, put your trade on break even. That's all. Easy. Okay? Easy. This is the really nice move there. I've been watching for this USD and really long. Okay? This is what I don't want to miss, and you guys should not also miss this one. Okay? This move will break out of the structure. Okay? So break out totally of the structure and going really deep. So watch it. You shall not miss it. That should be on your watch list. Okay? So, so let's go. Euro yen. Watch for the sell setups. Okay, watch for the sell setup going down. So 15 minutes setup will be good enough. CAD yen. That one, it's a bit tricky. Okay, there is 1 hour sell stop which is trying to appear, but it can go up. Okay, so look at that one. Can break down. Okay, so in case if you are a buyer already, from there, put your stop loss and break even. You have to protect yourself. I'll delete that. So nothing, nothing from there right now. Okay, so wait. Chief yen. Mm, this thing can go break that high and then we'll start it to sell. Okay, then we'll start it to sell. No buy setup. Wait for that breaking of that high and then watch for these sell setups. Okay, easy. Here GBP. Be careful. This one can just. Oh, sorry. I just misclicked. That was my fault. Okay, so there's the impulse which is trying to correct. It will break the top, and then can turn. Be careful for that scenario. Okay, you can get into the buy, but protect yourself as fast as you can. Okay, because it can turn for one more down. Okay, so this can become a correction, and then it can just start at pushing lower all the way back to that trend line. Okay, somewhere there. Okay, breaking that bottom at least breaking that bottom is needed. So yeah, you will see. But yeah, first buy, be careful, and then you will be selling 15 minutes and stops all the way back to that bottom in case it will appear. What do we have there? I see the big deeper correction and going higher. Pound New Zealand similar there. Okay, so bigger correction. Pound Aussie. Okay, this can just go a bit lower and then it will go higher. Okay, so what can we have over there? This is the correction in the middle. This correction in the middle going down. Okay, this will form the bigger correction and then you can go watch for the buy stops. Okay, so easy. Be patient. Now you cannot trade, okay, nothing there, watch there. Okay, there is where you will watch for price action or lower time frame, you'll take that buy stop. Pound yen. Pound yen, I would like to see it give us the bigger correction, okay? This flat there is quite a bit risky, okay? So I would like to see there the expanded flat going deeper, deeper, tag that trend line and then from trend line watch for the buy stops, okay? That would be really good risk to reward ratio. Tagging that trend line, it's 1 to 2 almost, okay? So yeah, let it go. You'll see how this will push higher. But at the moment, if you catch any buy setups, okay, you can take it, okay? But lower time frame, 5 to 15 minutes, then you'll take the trade. Don't be aggressive. Pound shift, quite similar scenario there. Okay, so pushing lower, pushing higher. Okay, can I take the sell stop? Yes. If this will go and give us the deeper 15-minute correction, we can take the sell. Why? Because this can just get aggressive and push lower. Okay, so I think that the chief can go high. Okay, so chief going higher. What does this mean? Pound chief going down. Okay, so yeah, like I said, this is the reason why I have to wait for this correction, because it can just go down. Okay, otherwise you will be watching for the buy setups from there, somewhere there. Okay, or even tagging the trend line going higher. That would be also a great idea. Euro Nokian, what do we have there? Nothing. Okay, so stay away from it. I don't like that in the middle, trading in the middle of nowhere. Okay, you want to sell from the top and you want to buy from this bottom. This is all what you can do. Don't chase the price there in the middle, because this can go up and this can go down. Okay, don't get in. Okay, so patiently wait for this to complete. Okay, you wanna see where, in which direction the market is going. Okay, don't get into the trades when you will have a double direction. Okay, double directions are not tradable. They are like gambling. Okay, and you should avoid to get into the market where there is two directions. Okay, so buy and sell should not be available when you are trading. Okay, only buy or only sell, no both directions. USD chief, similar there. Okay, I don't think that this is completed, but yeah, let's leave that one. Okay, we have many other charts to watch. Okay, so nothing there. Natural gas pushing higher, so correct there. Go for the buy setup. Okay, for our buy setup and go for the trade. Okay, easy. SP 500. Let's have a look. It's trying to push lower. So what can we anticipate? Can we anticipate a sell? Of course we can anticipate a sell. So watch for your sell stops. Sell stop, it's not in the making right now. Okay, so this can struggle there. Okay, wait for the strong break to the downside. Keep an eye there. UK 100. What do we have there? Okay, let's have a look. This structure for me is completed. We have an impulse, we have a correction, we have an impulse, break that bottom. So what can we anticipate? Wave to the upside, break that top. Okay, breaking that top on UK 100, quite possible. So wait, this can struggle a bit more, and then it will push higher. So watch for your buy setups. Only buy. 15 minutes is enough. Okay, keep an eye there on 15-minute buy setups and go for that trade. UK oil, there was the buy stop. If you take that, wonderful buy stop, great. Now one more is trying to appear, so only strong break to the upside. Okay, take the trade and you'll see how far it will go. Put your trade on break even once it will tag the previous high. Okay, similar there on US oil, as you can see that there are the similar. So if you are into the buy from there, great. Now you can watch for the strong break to the upside. You will simply join the trade and that's all. US 30. Here it goes. There's this one setup. Okay, it's yeah 6% of the profit will be there at the top. Okay, so nice profit. There was really nice setup at the bottom. Okay, so if you were watching this, there was the nice buy setup pushing higher. So yeah, nice move. What you will do the others? Okay, let it tag that high, then you will watch for the sell setups. Okay, sell setup will look like this. This is everything what you can do. Watch for sell setups, ignore that buy. Okay, you miss the buy, don't worry, but don't miss the sell. Okay, this is all what I can say, and just put that on your watch list after tagging that high. Okay? After tagging that high, wait for this, and go for the trade. Easy. No complicated. No complicated things. Copper. Okay, so copper can push one more wave to the up. Okay, so this could be everything. Okay, that could be completed and we can go higher. So what you will do? you can watch for your buy setups. Okay, this is how the buy setups will looks like. Okay, one more high, breaking those tops before going lower. So yeah, watch for buy setups on copper. German 30. So what do we have there? Okay, there's the running flat. Sorry, running flat in the making. So watch for your buy setups. Okay, buy setups, buy setups. If this will break down, okay, tag that bottom. No worries. You watch again for buy setups. Easy. We need to break that high. So buy setups are possible. Platinum, wait there, a little bit lower, give us the running flat, go for the buy. Okay? Wait for the correction, wait for the running flat, go for the buy. Similar there, it can go deeper, give us the running flat, pushing higher. Bitcoin USD, okay, so that was the really wonderful chart, okay? I think that I've been warning you since there. Okay, that was, when was this? 15th of June, okay? So since June, I was warning you to watch for the buy setups, and if you were watching for the buy setups, you will be able to catch all those buy setups. Okay, as you can see that there are buy setup, buy setup, buy setup, buy setup, buy setup, buy setup. Okay, you should not miss it. Okay, if you are listening to me, you cannot miss that trade. Okay, so what you'll do now? Let it do whatever it wants to. It will probably give us the deeper correction, give us the bigger correction, and pushing higher. Okay. So yeah, something like this, it's possible and pushing higher, oh, deeper, sorry, something like that, and then pushing higher. So keep an eye there, and you can take the trade. We are going really high. Ethereum Classic USD. What do we have there? There was really nice correction, break out, wonderful. So this will also push higher. Okay, I don't see it going lower. So watch this, how it will start to push higher. Okay, buy setup. There are no buy setup. Okay, as you can see, there's the sell setup. This is the sell setup, and you should not take that sell setup. Ethereum USD, okay, watch this. Let it correct, push higher. Okay, so correction for correction, take the trade. Litecoin USD, okay, similar there. Watch, go for the buy. Okay, there was some buy setups, really nice. Push higher, so you should always take off your profit if you were entering there, okay? And the last one is Ripple, so what do we have there? This is a similar thing. Let it to correct, take the trade, and that's all. Okay? So traders, there are many wonderful charts which you'll have to keep an eye on it. Okay, I hope that you'll not try to catch all catch them all. Okay? Just focus on some of them and wait for the setup restore ratio. Okay, so looks if it makes sense, then take the trade. If not, then rather wait. Okay, but don't chase the price without having the correction. That's all. Okay, so traders, like I said, if you are interested to join us, simply send me the private message, contact me on TradingView or Telegram group, or you can simply go to our tradewithmaster.eu website and send me the message there. Okay? Or simply find the membership which is comfortable for you. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed that daily webinar. If you have enjoyed, please share the link with others. Okay, I would like to help the others to learn something. Okay, so I'm giving you a lot of free stuff. Okay, and you can learn something totally for free. Okay, so guys, enjoy your weekend and watch for the setups. And may the money be with you next week. Take care. Bye bye.